Imagine holding a device so thin it feels like a sheet of glass, yet so powerful it makes a professional desktop workstation look like a relic from the past. For years, the iPad Pro was criticized for having too much power and not enough purpose. But today, in March 2026, the game has officially changed. Apple has just unleashed the M5 iPad Pro, and it's not just a tablet anymore. It's a declaration of war on the traditional laptop. While the world was looking at the M4's OLED screen, Apple was quietly building a monster in the basement. We are talking about the first mobile device to feature the Fusion architecture, a chip design so advanced it bridges the gap between portability and raw, unadulterated strength. There is a reason professional filmmakers are trading in their MacBooks. There is a reason the M5 iPad Pro is being called the AI supercomputer in your backpack. And today, we are going to peel back the layers of this machine to show you exactly why you might never need a laptop ever again. Let's start with the soul of this machine, the M5 chip. If you think this is just a 10% speed boost over the M4, you've been misled. The M5 is built on a refined 3nm N3P process, but the real secret lies in the GPU. For the first time, Apple has integrated neural accelerators into every single GPU core. This isn't just marketing speak. We are seeing a 3.5 times leap in AI performance compared to the M4. Why does that matter to you? Because we are moving into the era of on-device diffusion. Imagine generating a 4K cinematic background for your video or a complex 3D model in Blender. Not in the cloud, but locally on your iPad in seconds. This chip delivers up to 5.6 times faster AI performance than the M1 iPad Pro. It's not an evolution, it's a total architectural reset. But power is nothing without the ability to use it. This brings us to the most requested feature in iPad history, the RAM revolution. For the first time, the base model M5 iPad Pro starts with 12 GB of unified memory. If you step up to the 1 TB or 2 TB models, you're looking at a staggering 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM with a memory bandwidth of 153 GB per second. To put that in perspective, that is faster than the majority of high-end Windows laptops sold in the US today. This extra memory isn't for opening more Safari tabs. It's for the new iPadOS 26 liquid glass multitasking. We are finally seeing a version of Stage Manager that allows for true floating window management that rivals macOS. You can finally run a full instance of DaVinci Resolve alongside a pro-level coding environment without the system breaking a sweat. Now let's talk about the display, because this is where the M5 iPad Pro truly shines. While it retains the gorgeous tandem OLED Ultra Retina XDR display from the M4, Apple has pushed the boundaries of physics even further. The new display controller now supports a minimum brightness of just 1 nit. Why does that matter? For the creatives working in dark studios or the editors finishing a project in a dim room, the level of contrast and color accuracy at low light is now surgical. But on the flip side, the peak HDR brightness still hits a blazing 1600 nits. And for the professional who uses an external monitor, the M5 iPad Pro is a revelation. It is the first iPad to support a 120Hz